What do you think just happened? No, seriously, what do you think just happened? Whoever is betting on VIX right now is minting a lot of money right there. I'm gonna just give it to you as straight as possible, right? Just no fillers and whatnot. All of us doom and gloomer has been saying stuff like, hey, semi is gonna go down 25%, 30%. Nobody wants to watch it. Nobody likes bearish news. Basically, just give them what they want to hear. But that's not how it plays out, right? Listen, I'm not a bear or bull. I'm just a realist. I try to see as whatever as real as possible so we can make better decision. I don't want to lose my money. I want to save and protect it, and then I want to make more and compound. And you can only do that if you're real. If not, you can follow all the bullish people. All they will do is just pump your bags until everything falls apart. And yes, I did lose some money too. Well, I didn't sell anything. I'm holding, but I'm down too. But I'm not surprised. I've been seeing this. Writing was on the wall. What do you think just happened? Yes, it's a correction to some level. If you look at Nvidia and some of the stock, it's not like significantly down. But in crypto, it's a crash. Look at all the tokens, alt market. Let's just look at it. Still, nobody wants to believe. I'm going to show you a little clip from my TikTok, and you be the judge just in a bit. And kind to the chase, they came out with job market news, basically. They said, job market, we are adding a lot of jobs. Fake news. You know what they do, right? They revise. And then another report came, which said, we lost most job since 2022. Let that sink in. And then nobody's paying attention to the bond market. AI overvaluation. I mean, so much science, but you want to see what you want to see, man. Yeah, I know, unpopular opinion, but this is a real talk. And you can only make and create wealth when you get the right source, follow the right source. And matter of fact, even gold is not immune. Look at gold. Look at silver sitting at 67, but way better than crypto right now. This is Bitcoin, 60,000. Another unpopular opinion. Do you really think this is a correction? I'm not going to tell you what you want to do, man. Buy the dip, that's on you. Capitulation hasn't even started. Let's say this is stage 1, level 1. Oil is sitting at $91. This is Nvidia, 205. Marvel, look, and this is Micron. There you go. I've seen a bunch of Anon accounts who gained paid subscribers. People are paying them anywhere from $19 to $99 so they can shill this to you. They keep telling you to buy, and they're making money from all the sides. And here I'm giving you my real opinion. Yeah, again, you be the judge, man. I don't do this for myself. I'm just putting it out there for whoever wants to listen to the real talk so we can make money, right? That's the point of this. But looks like everybody's loving losing money, unfortunately. This is Amazon. And being an AI practitioner, if you didn't watch my long video, 40 minutes long, I mentioned quite a bunch of stuff. Watch it. Being an AI practitioner, I can tell you, a lot of the stuff you see is hyped up. And it'll break my heart to see Claude go away. I don't want Claude to go away. I love Claude, man. I just love it. But I'm surprised and a little shocked. How are they sustainable? Like, they can't be sustainable unless they raise the price. And please don't do that. Claude, don't do that. But that's a real talk. It's not going to change. Check this out. You all are paying Anon accounts anywhere from $19 to $99 per month for pumping your bags, and they didn't see this coming. None of the people even told you what's happening in the bond market. And I'm surprised, and maybe I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Do they not understand private equities? What's happening? Liquidity crunch, bond market, yield, the Japan carry trade, overvaluation. Oh, well, good luck. Keep buying the BS. I told you, Anon. That's what they do. Hey, I told you, Anon. But then I'd been telling for quite some time, nobody came back and said, hey, yeah, man, you told me, Anon, you told me to protect my money. Nobody. I always say, when it happens bad. But no, you all doom and gloomer. Man, I really hope to recover from this, believe it or not. I have friends and family members who are invested and whatnot. So yeah, I'm not trying to put anybody down. But I'm not shocked to see what's happening because again, I've been saying it, man. Check this out. Your gurus right there, Raoul Pal. Prophecy fulfilled, Raoul Pal's investment track record. What happened to Zcash? You know that, right? Claude Opus just found a flaw that anybody could mint unlimited Zcash. They probably did that. You're telling me they found it right now? Dude, probably somebody was milking under the table and now they found and boom. Yeah, there you go, Claude. This is my TikTok account, right? And this was the post I did. Very unpopular opinion on Bitcoin. You can see clearly Bitcoin was sitting at $67,000. Check the comment right there. Bro says unpopular opinion and then just reads the mainstream news of the week. LOL. Let's see how it ages. Disappeared. Do you think the Anon will come and say, yeah, man, you told me so, Anon? Yeah, I know. Unpopular opinion. Buy the market at all-time highs or Bitcoin at near 5-year lows? Go for it. Not financial advice. Go for it. My mouse just died. Oh my goodness. Let's finish this off right now. I just want to show you a couple more things and then I'll cut it off. All right. Pay attention. The overall market, tech market sentiment is cautious to negative. A few days ago, positive. driven by a major semiconductor sell-off and growing fears of AI disrupting traditional industries like customer service. However, massive capital inflows into AI infrastructure and government AI initiatives create pockets of optimism. This is the scariest part over here. OpenAI and White House discuss government stake. What do you mean? Government bailout? That should scare everybody right now. US chip makers plunge after Broadcom misses expectations. And you know, in the crypto space, they're talking about manipulation. Bro, please. Stock market news. The market is deeply divided with a severe chip sector rout driven by Broadcom and Micron earning misses, clashing against optimistic Q2 profit acceleration forecasts out elsewhere. Overall sentiment is cautious and risk off, especially in semiconductors. It makes sense, man. AI makes sense. It's here to stay. But most of the companies I'm seeing probably will disappear. It's like extremely overvalued. It doesn't matter what you want to hear. The real scenario is totally different. The math needs to add up. I'm just a student of life. I'm trying to learn. And I'm like, literally shocked, floored by seeing all these people giving $99, $200 a month to anon accounts that are just pumping backs, and they have no idea about actually how the whole finance space works. Wow. And you still think we have hope? I don't know, man. I've been just doing my part. I mean, I would have been sitting at 100,000 followers right now if I was just pumping your bags and just giving you all the good stuff. Nobody would even care. Whatever would have happened, right? Like, ask yourself. Hedge fund bet against customer service giant Teleperformance on an AI disruption fears. Monitor Oracle and other AI infrastructure earnings closely for confirmation of demand trends. Avoid chasing the semiconductor dip until the sector stabilizes, and consider hedging exposures to AI disrupted industries like customer service BPO. Breaking. Arthur Hayes says he dumped WorldCoin just days after saying he's going to $10. Let that sink in. The guy just wears a t-shirt, goes on stage with a microphone, and everybody's like, yes, pump my bags. There you go. Good luck. Keep water liquidity from the retail. Breaking news. Hey, Alice, thank you for following me. Appreciate you. And Alice is gonna make it because I literally said capitalization hasn't started yet. Why is it Bitcoin crashing so hard? Let me give you another unpopular opinion and end it, especially in crypto stuff, right? Yes, you can buy semi and all that. Buy the dip to some level. Not now. There'll be time, but sure. Nobody knows how the market works, so timing the market is stupid. So buy dips on solid companies. But in crypto, it's not the same case. And if you are in crypto, let me just tell you this, all right? Crypto exists because of fiat. Every Tom and Dick and Harry, all the gurus that's swamping your backs, telling you about Bitcoin freedom money, Bitcoin wouldn't even exist if there was no fiat there. And the government, go and tell the government that, hey, forget about fiat, USD, adopt crypto, Bitcoin. The moment you say that, they will ban Bitcoin. And guess what's going to happen? Government just wants Bitcoin because of liquidity. They will call you fool until they lose everything and then disappear. Won't even come and say, you told me so, non. Sad irony. Bitcoin isn't crashing below 60K because Saylor sold 32 BTC. It's crashing because 19 trillion of new AR market cap got created in 12 months. Again, Bitcoin bros are giving all the reasonings. Look at that. So many reposts, likes, comments, 5,000 views. Go for it. And this is my opinion. And I'm going to end it here. They were all a liquidity sucking machine. Tell the government to replace USD fiat with Bitcoin crypto and see what happens. Crypto stablecoins exist because of fiat. Most get into BTC quoting freedom, and then you hear the government seizing and freezing. That's called freedom? Yeah, will age well. I'll tell you this. Followings, subscribers come next, later. For me, being right is more important than ever. I try to be right. My reputation is everything. If I'm wrong, I'll be the first one to come and tell you I'm wrong. But most people will not even exist and say, you were right, Anon. You were right. And that's why there's no hope in this space. I hope you all make it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.